Hello guys, in today's lecture we are going to learn about verb être. Its meaning is to be. Actually in French there are two important verbs, être and avoir. Avoir. Its meaning is to have. These two verbs are the basis of French grammar, so I recommend you to see these two videos till the end. Now let's start. I am. I means the am sewing. I am the sewing. You are. You tu are a. Tu a. This to a is used informally and when we are talking with the single person. He is. He means il is a. Il est. She is. She l is a. La. We are. We nous are sont. Nous sommes. You are. Vous. This is être, but here s conjugate with e and it becomes vous êtes. Vous êtes. It is used formally and when we are talking with the more than one person. They are. Ils sont. Ils sont. This is used for masculine group. They are. Elles sont. This is used for feminine group. But when both the masculine and feminine are together, means when the group is mixed, then we use ils sont. Even consider there are 100 persons in a group and there is one male and 99 females. Then we use ils sont, not elles sont. बेशक ग्रुप में 99 फीमेल्स हैं और 1 मेल है, फिर भी हमने ये यूज करना है. ओके. नाउ आई वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग मोर. हियर I have not pronounced this S-T-T. Actually, in 80% cases in French, if a word ends with a consonant, then last consonant is silent. अगर वर्ड की एंडिंग कॉन्सोनेंट से हो रही है तो लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट होता है जो 80% केसेस में, नॉट इन ऑल केसेस. 20% केसेस आर एक्सेप्शनल. 80% केसेस में लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट साइलेंट होता है. नाउ लेट्स रिवाइज. आई एम द sewing. You are tu a. He is il est. She is elle est. We are. Nous sommes. You are. Formal you are. Vous êtes. They are. For the group of masculine. Ils sont. They are for feminine. Elles sont. Now let's have some examples. I am a boy. I am a boy. Je suis. The means I and suis means am. Je suis un garçon. Next, she is my sister. She is elle est ma sœur. She is my sister. She, L, is A. Here I will fill the blank with A. Third one. They are my parents. They My parents. They are they L are some. Ils sont mes parents. Merci.